Hello, welcome RocketRugBot. Do you want to create fast liquidity and instantly increase your coin with the market cap method in seconds? This is what our bot provides. We create liquidity quickly, show people this rise, and make them buy it right away. In this way, we create real hype and make you stand top one even more. As you can see in the video, we can make a coin we created into a rug within seconds and make high profits. If you want to buy a license, you can visit our Telegram address. Within seconds, our realistic wallets make thousands of dollars worth of purchases, create a realistic pump and bring in extra customers. To our bot, you can click on the rug setting and make manual or automatic rug whenever you want. You can create more than $100K liquidity in seconds and provide a realistic view. Transactions are taken with more than 100 wallets created specifically and realistically for you. This will make people who see your token instantly think it's a real coin and buy it. To purchase a license, you can contact us via our Telegram address.